Yema yetiefo akwa aba na fe kase bono yemfa na hyase ene emunkyeremu ensom Ghanafo enyina na yehye kase bono ase a ene emrahye badwafo ekwa asetena na asetena ne mo no ana right honorable Aban Kingsford Somana Bagben wonna ya chiamehene ewo Ghana yemrahye badwafie wajebre eje akase mu na wakasa wa parliament na wochirem se eye NPP kokoso no ana etwero nkrata etrega eye parliament se womo ensantrase na eye government businesses bi ese womo getum no womo etime edi ho enkomo nanso yewura Aban Kingsford Somana Bagben wochirem se ade a womo akwatena se na womo twa se anka NPP emrahye badwafo no beba no womo atena se a enya de se NPP for na bente no se bi NPP emrahye badwafo no womo entimi emfa abadwafo animu enyankoa enu ntini speaker of parliament echirem se said ye Ghana mra ema ne kwan no ye wo number bi a wo mbehia ansa na wo motimi dia ye business e wo parliament ho enu ntino se MPP for no amade a na ehu hia se wo mbetena senti ye ka say we declare parliament se indefinite suspension na say indefinite eye adjournment ya emrahye badwafo no wo bia ensa nkofie na edensem aba momientie sania yewura right honorable Aban Kingsford Somana Bagben ene wasa agene parliament ni biemu a watu ahyeda wenu ya indefinite yenim da cropotin a wo mo besa ba biemu mientie sania wosi edesansam no etudwa ewo parliament.
Unfortunately, the signatories who made the request have not shown up, and therefore matters that they wanted us to handle, which are admitted for the consideration of the business committee, are not on the order paper, and in fact there's no order paper for today because the business committee could not meet due to the absence of the people who requested for the recall. And as you can see, one side of the house is completely empty. In view of this, we have, as usual, got a quorum to sit, but we have no business before us to transact because the business committee, as you know, they prepare a report, and this report is adopted by the House as business agreed by the House to transact during the course of the week. In the absence of that, there's no other authority that can put business before you which you have not adopted to transact. In view of the failure of the business committee to sit as a result of the refusal of those who requested for the recall to show up, we are compelled to once again adjourn the sitting of the House. Knowing the challenges we are facing, it is not advisable to be adjourning from day to day. And so I'll proceed once more to adjourn the meeting indefinitely. And the meeting, this extraordinary meeting, is accordingly adjourned.
Enti ebusuafo we de wo chiame a woni mu asem kan an wose nana wasomua we no eya chiame hina wo Ghana yemrahye badwafie right honorable Aban Kingsford Somana Bagben ene wase to parliament no ahyeda biem na eno ana NPP edomo a wonom ewo mrahye badwafie wo pani a wodi wo manim eye afutu emrahye badwani yewura Alexander Kwame na afenyo Markins woni nsem trofo di nkoma kyerem se anamo no speaker etuo no wo percent okwa ana eba efiri se woni speaker edi nkomo ewo kokoam ema speaker krampo bonamane se saada no a wo make a declaration se ye kire se article 97 clause 1G no eye adwuma no wo so aka kire wono Alexander Afenya Markins se enye ruling an wo de aba na emom no eye parliamentary official declaration an waye enu nti eba ne se ne watimi amakwan ama NDC emrahye badwafo no akwakotena ba bi ese wonom MPP fo wo motena na wochirem se mena woni speaker kwedi nkomo kokoam no ana speaker eka kire ne se memma NDC fo no kwan da emom nkonkotena mo da bere enu nti wose eye ne nwanwa pa se speaker of parliament ne watimi aye nhwehan ama NDC fo no akwakotena wonom MPP fo akunya so na se Ghana fo beka yi a ena anopa be se no numu empa mu ne beto dwa se NDC mrahye badwafo no wo modin kan fere se bimpanesi akokwa wo ben woni ana wodi bebesire nti wodi nkan 5:30 akwa kodru parliament hono mo a baby a esesenka MPP for ne tena said nchechire mu ne tie no eho na NDC for no ekokotena ye na no ana Alexander Kwame na afenyo market sechirem se nanka wonim se emra NDC for no kwatena MPP for no dabre no nanka speaker of parliament etimima order say wo munso den free ho na monkonkotena free sa ha no mo de eya no mo de nanso wo chirem se bepem ne speaker etimi atena say yenhwe hai ama NDC for no afa wo mo MPP for no nkonwa de na kire se speaker of parliament in the way nyina no ene se agronie entokwanie wa obeko no kwako.
He told the whole of the country that he had not made a ruling. So if he claims that what he did was a formal communication in response to a statement from the minority leader, then why is he supervising chaos in the House? What Mr. Speaker did today amount to supervising chaos and bringing the image of democracy to disrepute. The NDC minority members were all over claiming that we, the majority, did not attend a so-called business committee meeting that they called. Who are they? When did we constitute a new committee in Parliament? I chair the business committee of Parliament. And when the clerk to Parliament asked for the business committee meeting, I was very explicit that the subject matter of the recall, which was approved by Mr. Speaker, is a very matter for consideration. So there's no need to have another business committee. Business committee is to decide on the business of the House. On this occasion, you have made an application, which application has been granted. And the items that were approved were the very things to be decided on.
Na ebusuye enu ache no ana yewura Alexander Kwame na afenyo Markins eye NPP kokoso ewo parliament wasade tuda ana wo kire mu se de asie no eye ne nwanwa na emom de obeka de akire Ghana fo nyina no ene se wasere Ghana nsem kyerofo media fo ne se efiti ne ekuro ya ne yensu jansenama enwu NDC mnase bedwafo no so na afenso de beka ne yensu emfenwu right honorable Aban Kingsford so ma na bagben so na wamna bonti mechire mu pa de enti anamo etesa watu ofiri se wadwene ho a wonti ase se woni wadi nkomo kokoam na waka se woma NDC fo no nkonkotena ba bia MPP fo ne te na enne NDC fo na busuo na watima yehwe hide na kire se speaker of parliament we die wonya na adwene sa asomdwe be banti de ekoso no o supervise chaos pa wojamom eni asotromom.
And I would want to entreat you, the media, to call them out, to call the NDC out, call Mr. Speaker out. Because what is it? What at all is the issue? You have made a ruling which you now say is an opinion. We disagreed with you. We've gone to another forum where, by law, that forum has the power to interpret the law. We respected Mr. Speaker's ruling. In all of these, my first interview after his ruling was with the fact that I respect him, I disagree with him, therefore my colleagues and I were withdrawing from the chamber and will pursue the matter at the Supreme Court, which matter he was already aware was pending at the Supreme Court. And I will repeat the point I made a week ago. Mr. Speaker had assured me in the presence of the second deputy speaker, Honorable Okogyeabour, in his office, that in view of the pendency of the suit, although the NDC had filed that petition, which petition was mounted by Harun Idrisu, he would hear them, but will wait and abide the decision of the court. I was fair enough, I was transparent enough to have engaged him as a head of this assembly, that because Haruna had raised the issue and to avoid confusion, I was going to the Supreme Court to seek interpretation. I did not go to Supreme Court in bad faith. And it wasn't the case that a matter was happening in Parliament and I ran away to the Supreme Court. I ran away from Parliament to Supreme Court to seek refuge. No. I foresaw confusion.
And when a prophet Alexander Kwame na afenyo Markins no watch say he foresaw confusion coming. And unti ana otu America abasahwea moko Supreme Court wa ene aye pinso no. Na ne kurakura mu no ana Alexander Kwame na afenyo Markins echire mu ese se eba mra se badwam di bre no a ye wode ye wohye se NDC fo nkotena nifa na MPP fo nkotena benkum na sa adwuma no eye clerk of parliament na ye sa adwuma no na wotirem se na no pai clerk of parliament eye na adwuma e di name tag no e kobobo obi akonwa ho kire se NDC fo betena ha MPP fo betena ha nanso ebre so ye se omkonkotena se no na NDC fo na dane Nicodemus ana ne kwa amiata afesumase a wo makwatete wo name tag no edi akobo baabi a MPP fo na tienti no na sabre no NPP fo no ya baabi ntina ehwa ye mase etwom ɛno nti na ma wo mo antimi anko chamber ho no mo a ɛno nso mo nsɛm akwa sense fufuo ana ehuro yi.
The clerk this morning, we pre-inspected the chamber. The clerk diligently arranged our name tags at where they were. They came and they physically removed them. And that is where, with the greatest respect and in all humility and in all modesty, my dear friends in the media, help us to shape opinion in the right way. Get the message across. They came in there and unlawfully removed our name tags, pulled their chairs to our place and sat on our seats. And Speaker, the cameras I was watching in my office, and I'm sure you guys are set up. You set your cameras up proud to Mr. Speaker's arrival. You saw what happened. Let the Ghanaian people know. Now they said our members were not present. They claimed that those, if indeed the Supreme Court had ruled, why were those members who were affected not in the chamber? Because Mr. Speaker has said nothing about them. This is what Okogyeabour, making that point. Honorable Okogyeabour said the members have had a favorable ruling from the Supreme Court, so they should have come. Really, if the Supreme Court ruling is being respected by them, why did they move to the right of Mr. Speaker? My respected colleague Cynthia Morrison is here. I said it in my plaint in court that she remains a member of our caucus, and she's here with us as a majority caucus.
Enti ebusuani ayeti ye eye efutu emra shebedwani awono ana NPP mra shebedwafa wonom ewo parliament no wodi wonom anim ne din ede Alexander Kwame na afenyo Markins na wo kire se ne yekoso no de akwese aboakusie bon apamiri awuramu ansumdweni parliament yo ansumdweni parliament kokra emunsam ana wate no
yegusua ejiramu o manga ne yema shebedwam no swafo no ono hwe adwadie na afi nso emfididwuma eso eye honabo Katie Hammond wakasa na ni abere ye pa chechire mu sei eye mashebedwam eye achamehene honabo eye right honabo Kingsford suma na baben anamobia watu no odwene ho awonte ase akwase ne masebedwafo akwase tena fefefa na nanso watu asa de ahye biu o kirem sei right honabo eye Kingsford suma na baben anamobia otutu no wakasa na niji ho a na waboa kram na nadwie emra parliament fo ko share ya jesen mbo modern adwane parliament omupie ye pe ene jesen ye eye ketia mo kirem sensenso fo momra me obi ka pa visa nshem bi ahya mebo aha adwen ye party mo makwanya na meso mprim pana Ghana fo hunu say yes de kwaso no eye me ya pam no kasa pe le sen ye NDC mase bedwani ba kokko gina ne nche sen ye ja odi ne ho fa usa so ma na kwanya kwa ma ne nkase no chem se masa wo menne ngoso me fa onya hwe me fa fo kodi aka ne podie me fa onya hwe kra obra ne buafu wabobbo na adwen pa kire mu se anama wa speaker tu ni nadue ni de ne ya pa every say ye dim se de akwai enche bi akwato aba afi nso amamo we no enche bekọ na wieye aban gusu a wabọ ne ho modern se ne ma hudo bi wa hyehye se odo begu akwa bebọ o my Ghana puntu akwada ne mu no nso masebedwafo betimi atena se na gane matimi atodin nanso num de enti a eye speaker of parliament ne watena so mprenu so a wabọ modern atu chese masebedwafo dwumadie esa de hye denti o kirem se Crocod the Joanna Montua, Speaker of Parliament Etuno. Oman Homa diso bejanimum, and a motor what to the dear. Supreme Court, ever catch around his cell. Oman Homa Day says, and a motor no to no bejai. Nansone, Wama dear, Etus and a money their way, a contempt of court 20. Woman the Bako Jama Nemra, and in that day. I'm not the Jim Renis and Translation Comono. Emu enchiremu any.
Decision, the ruling that I made on the particular day has been oversaid, has been stayed by the Supreme Court, which interprets the Constitution, interprets what we do over here. Accordingly, the status quo ante should be reverted to. So we would know that we are going back to this. Why should the NDC guys rush to go and sit on the side of the NDC bank? What is that? No, but that is not the point. Where were they sitting? Where were the NDC before sitting? Look, you are not listening to me. You are not listening to me. Let's get the fact right. Where were the NDC guys sitting? Is that where they're supposed to be sitting? But you see, we have a convention. We have a convention. It's not argument nonsense. You guys are not listening. Supreme Court is speaking. It is all for us members of Parliament on the majority side to be argued at any point. This is a matter. This is foreclosed. It is completely foreclosed. Supreme Court is speaking. That is the end of the matter.
The Speaker of Parliament says when it comes to seating arrangement, that is not. He says you should come and sit anywhere and do the business.
Listen, the others of the Supreme Court were directed specifically to the Speaker. It was the Speaker, it wasn't the leadership, it wasn't the clerk, it wasn't the leadership which made that ruling, that decision. It was the Speaker of Parliament who unconstitutionally made a proclamation, whatever that he said the last time. The Supreme Court is told him that he was wrong. Restore matters to what they were before you did that. Well, we will cite you for contempt. We will cite the speaker for contempt. Watch the space.
I mean, but Honorable says there was no. Your side did not come. Where is the business committee? You should have started yesterday.
Let's get first and first. Yes. First and first, there is a ruling made by him. The ruling has been overset. You're forcing me to repeat myself so many times. The Supreme Court is spoken. We want the decision of the Supreme Court to be respected.
Any awutie Okogyeabour na wafase adanse asokama se bedwani onu kura nso na yo soafo ohwe magana adwadie na afi so emfididwuma so kwabena taher eye hamon adodo na bonom la ne se keti hamon ana wate se nani abrepe free say masebedwuma chame hene right honorable kings for suma na babenwo Supreme Court aka kira wo se babodin na ndize amanyoko no omon kwatena agya ni sa benkum so nanka agya MPP amanyoko no mu wonom tese ne masebedwafo yi wanu so mkwankwatina agya ni fani fa so ne ba ne se nenne wanya ne sa watu masebedwafo aseten e de ahyade mu nsem ana yade asungwe na nusi yepe na se ne asensento masebedwanin aya Kennedy ohene Japan onu so kire mu sei ensem na akwaso no eye ne yepa de senti ensentrafo mu yakasem no na menso menkire madwen.
Well, he can be a epimenides and sit on the fence because even if he knows, and once there's no official communication, I can pretend I didn't that one day. I can pretend that I didn't know. That's the problem. I've posed that question because I entered the chamber and I saw NDC occupying MPP seats. So I just had to leave. I told the leader and the leadership, the two whips and deputy majority leader, that we should go back.
Ani awoti ye masebedwane awogina mo adema adehia wanu mo asen central no fifi mantenum Kennedy ohini Japan nene ana woti ye enu achi ana ya NDC caucus eye honorable Dr. Kessel Atufosen onso kire mu say ensema hodoa ene ntansa eye MPP masebedwafo no edebo NDC masebedwafo no ne kraba kumpo nim bibia ne wedi dance se wanum empesa abandwumadie bekoso ne senti omunya sansensem ne nyina ka free se de mo ye no. We are determined to do what is right to the people of Ghana. Let no one deceive you that the NDC is here to obstruct the people's business. We are rather here to work for the people of Ghana. We see this as a call to duty. We turn up in our numbers to do what we have to do, only to find out that the very group of people that called us to consider government business, they have no business. So the truth out there is that there is no urgent government business. There's no urgent government business and the government has no business. They have given up, they've checked out, and they want the election to be done as soon as possible so that they can leave office. Fellow Ghanaians, let's vote against this incompetent government and have our country back. Thank you. Enuachi and Honorable Dr. Kessel Atufosen. As I tell you, say, Adeba Kwahani ye power MPP or some go come a man of way. One penny for catch a power, you know how I want to say any or Magana this year bread or may Sikasem. I hear the bedroom. Ghana found she and pa now so. Woman a Montesa Motonium, and yet OCC Fiani B. OCC Fiani B, King Paluta ye, Titi Basim, and I wanted to talk to you at dances idea, son, which them say, hey. MPP for the said amate Ghana for nizo wa musu no bra ye breje mu ye ana motonyom ana so do aka makoma ana mudi asade gu Ghana for so o kirem say sana moto we nyina kirem mu say MPP amanyoko no wanom eni botaye biada na mu hu boto no fa kura fa nhim enu ntina mo na monten so ne de ne de bata ne say o wo sisifia ne bi honyom ana wanom eto they are bereft of ideas and they are short of vision. They cannot solve the suffering of the people. All what they do out there during campaigns, in spite of the hashing, is to sing and dance. That's all what they do. In not solve the suffering of the people. All what they do out there during campaigns, in spite of the hashing, is to sing and dance. That's all what they do. In times like this, when the ordinary Ghanaian is struggling to survive, they are dancing and singing Sisifia and sharing money. We want Ghanaians to see them as such and vote against them and serve them. And here we take a pure Mashabedjuano and I NDC, Mashabedjuafon, and that one man, on Ukraina Copiemo, our Jumako and Yan Essam, so no Mashabedjani or Honum. ne din ade oniminyamfo Dr. Kessel Atoba Forsen ne na ate se wo kyerem se ne eye MPP ate mpanimfo ne nam krom na ware moto owo sisi fia ne bi na my Ghana bra ye bre no wonom ehunu so mfaso bia ehu kyeremu ene yede asemwe
ye to aka se bono so ana ye da so agina mu e wo Ghana ye mra se bedwa fiefe se ene de empanisi akoko wode hwe bekumaku ehwo yire sesura na ahemfie twene eyire na sampaye a ye nyaibo ne nyina no enne se adakulu emrahye bedwane a wono so ye NDC emrahye bedwane ne din ede yewura Kwame Agbogya Governance wode atodwa akirem se ne yakoso wa parliament no ene agese mpanifo de excavator ekonu parliament asitugu ente sade a se parliament no tena se empre wo ha wono mo NDC fo no won be koso akwetena majority side no so empre wo ha ne nyina no ene se die ese da achibe no se biase na eye friend presidents ene convention enu nti se Ghana fo be kai ya sabre no a na Professor Aaron Michael Kwei na wo ye speaker of parliament no wo gina article 97 clause 1G so ana e declare yese Yewra Andrews Amoakwansi ama awo ye adanse for mena MP yen pam no yen fa na konya nto ho ema ye de to ho enu nti eba ne san ana se bi ensuohie no a ye de tutu aboa akokɔ ho no enei se ri tutu akwahwede ho a afedie yese ye bɔnen wo kiremu ese wo bu be akire Ghana fo na eba wo bu nyina no ene se wokoto sa twensire mienu gu apaso a empanisi ye ni baako no nya baako enu nti anamo no a Right Honorable Aban Kings for the summer na backben etu ye eye October bosmeda na toso edu enson no ne nyina no ene se articles 97 clause 1G no se wo ye manase bedwani wo bra wotia ba anwa so na se wo ye wadwene se wo nkobiem na emom se wo kɔ for independent dia emra ne se for akonya to ho no eno na wo mo NDC manase bedwafo no wo mo ejina so ofiri se wo mo ntimentina se ema se bieburu duadu mfrani mesikotia wo ema wo mo MPP fo no emfa NDC ne Ghana fo nsa enhye boase mo ne sa kyenkyen eta na eho ba moja wo masa kata firi biem wono mo echirem se ebre bia no a speaker of parliament ebe frɛ se emrase badwafo ekwasetena no wo ka kyerɛ Ghana fo plain ene MPP fo se wo mo NDC fo no wo mbekɔ so atena majority side enu nti se MPP fo no so wo mo ntiase a alata boy
time as directed by the speaker, we shall take our rightful place in the chamber as to where we sit and wait for whatever businesses that may come in front of us. Our advice to our colleagues in the minority MPP is to try and prioritize business that is in the interest of the people of this country, and they shall find favor and cooperation with us in time to deal with those businesses. We can assure them that as long as the business is in the interest of improving the lot of Ghanaians, they can count on the majority NDC caucus in Parliament to support those initiatives to pass those things that would help the people of this country. So it's a very great information we are giving you. We will be attending upon the House as directed by Mr. Speaker. We shall be taking our seat in the chamber in accordance to the majority side, which we are in Parliament, and we shall be open to supporting our colleagues in the minority to conduct businesses that are in the interest of the people of this country. Thank you.
Enti ebusuani ayati yeyi eye adakulu emrahye bedwani Yewra Kwame Agbogya Governance ana wo kire se emrahye bedwafo tena se empre wo ha ana se 30 billion times wono mo NDC fo no majority side ho eye wo mo dia eye ono post wo mo no obi ampre huntin se MPP fo so ma ho biemu a wo mo nkofie
ya to aka se bo no so a na yebo ade awura mu ewo aye Ashanti region na nkra betodwa echirem se openipa wo no opre mahye bagya konwa ewo NDC amanya koni timo ewa Asante Achem North abato mpesua so ne den ade chief Kofi Asamoah enkra betodwa echirem se eye MPP amanya kono wano mahye badwane a otu frank adema no isi amekese yi on the adwa so edema MPP amanya kono se mahye badwane ewa Asante Achem North abato mpesua so ne den ade Andy Apia Kubi enkra betodwa ese nipa bi esusu se openi atem sika 500k titisikam 5 billion ede akwakwama eye chief Kofi Asamoah wono no kwakwa premise bedwa konwa ewo chezene NDC amanyoko ni timu sende onyi sika no mva mo na pa every time eye short FM eye 95.9 wanum anasa short FM ni wura no ne den ade ohene Kwame Frempong papa we nso abode trimu po say asante achim of abatompe so aso no ono so kwa pere mese badwa akonnwa no agwankwankura di munti se betimi aboa pa na openi ono na sort fm eye ne dia no ohene kwa me from pound ne tubetumi ache anwea na nanim atuma agu ase ya pa se be ya abato no ontumi enim nkwanam na kan ni tirem se wo hwe ohene kwa me from pound na ade je ni nsini form kura frisa ne modem na so omani nti omani da so se afi wo ya abato ne de asante achim no ofofo ya krado say wanom betimi ato abande amane pam na mra sa sesem no to dwa pen na kopie mu awo sort fm a wanom money show host ane den ade Samuel champon anopo de kwatena etezene money show no so ena waka se na ochire me se matete pam matete se ne MPP amanyokrai abomoden akwa chief Kofia Samuel no okotu franka akwa prema se badwa konwa no asante achim no abatompe so aso ade amani sine se onyi sika wei non vantai MPP voachi na omonko Enventia eye sort fm a owura na eye ne dia ne den ade ohene kwame frempon se be ya fi o ya bato no ontumi entubia na se ontumi nim nkwanam na ma adwumade ne koso mu bi tetefon na pe na se ne NDC openi akwa ma se bedwa konwa dia ma wono no chief Kofia Samuel afreye ofreye pe na bo na adwen de kire owura yi saza na wo dia pa na kekan ensama wo kan enyina so ba pa na wo abegu anim asesa ne senti ensama keka ka no na kura ba kumpo enya de na ba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 video ni adato so awo ba betima bi na wahwe de mayemra eye chief Kofi Asamoah ene NDC amanyokonu mu ma ebodi wura mu ewo sort FM for premises ankom kwa kwato ahyem zo kwa papa wono musum no video ni da so awo ba benya bi ni watimi ahwe de amayen ene wachi ya okasa wie ye pe ene osabo abodom no se moma yenko sort FM for no ene ebedom dwuma pa every say ensa o maka no egu ye hu fi yentimi ntenase ama mo ntumi ntwe yeto efanfan wiam nti yampere kram ene ye komba modern adi twi ene trada ekoba wura mo sort FM wo mu pia mo se na mo se hwe ye pa money show host no Samuel achampon ye nya ne papa every say wagu ye hu finti baby o hye biara ebeso de matwene de na piem ene ne ekopia mu pe ene opani no eye manager edema wono no owo duty ne din ade Mr Ishak o tirem sa nya sem kuma obo modern ama secretary jam na so pa o mama kwan ma wonom antimi emma studio o tirem say sakom ma pan paden kan adwumade on bedi wa mo studio ho no de enka nya sem kuma kra wa ka say tirem say emra pintan ne course no se sia mekese no sort of adwuma yefunu bia prepare se mekase bia moda no emu oya pam na ma adwumade ne course abasabasa no esore ye no di ye kasebo ensa ka video no yenkwati ne ahodo a etwagu ye ewo mra NDC parliamentary candidate ani den adichet eye chief Kofi Asamoah ekopie mu ewo sort of premises no etwagu ye no ebi enie
what they can do for you? No, what they can do for you? I don't think I am playing now.
Any awoti ye eyamra parliamentary candidate edema NDC amanyokro no ewa Asante Achim North abatompe suaso chief Kofia Asamoah ene NDC amanyokro ni mabi eba maden fa akode ekwato edise ye nuanom sort FM 95.9 so mu hia wanom morning show host no eye Samuel Champon apapa no smefri say we twa ntro de atom so na pese wo hu de ye kan nyina modern na Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 video nda so ba benya bi ni wahwe nyasem kuma ko na de asi Asante Achim North abatompe suaso no nyasem kuma ye Ghana da ben
Kwadwo wonim se Ghana ho na ye wo emre bia ye se criminal libel law se wotena se na woka asem efa obi hu na enya nokura ana empanifo repeal ye wo mu yifiri ho Ghana mra enie se obi tie news na osusu se Okogyeabour Ocran bibi na gu ne hu fia you can sue the person for defamation.
Better.
But say obekwa media house. Say okwa say niema, okwa bu host to dear. You see, media attack. And your best no politicians, both sides, whether MPP and this, because anya hwekra no MPP ayebida ana NDC nso ye your best politicians. Say mususu say obi aka bibia tram from aka bibia. See the person. Mo fe nipa ne court. Eno nti na court ho. Then we prove it Kwadwo kiremu ye. O say morning show host na kan de.
O say morning show host no akan asisu dia say. Eye MPP ma se badwane o gina mu de ma de hia. Wonom ewo Asante Achem North abato mpesu aso no eye honabo and the apia kubi no. Ene MPP amanyoko ni ma atenase. Edi sika 500k. Ede ka koma eye NDC parliamentary candidate ani den
eye 5 billion. 5
billion kada dem. Ede ka koma NDC parliamentary candidate ani den ede chief Kofi Asamoah sa wanje. Non fam wa wonom every say Sort FM ni wura no ne den ede ohene Kwame Frempong.
Ono okọ for independent.
For independent ti. Te say nyama ekoso no wa hwe obetumi adi nkonim ti no. We nya ade ebetimi abo na twintwa nem se be ya bato no wontumi nim nkonim egum. En se wana host no ka kan so susu sa akoso.
Me ba wo. Na kire se aha no. NDC for no allege say
sa
host no kire se wo no parliamentary candidate NDC no wakwaji sika bi every MPP for ho se na be ya omie no betimi aka bom akode atia independent candidate no ono na Sort FM ne dia. Now say will be a say ya. Hey, you see, a man was see who alleges should prove it.
Better.
Hey, or a journalist, or you some journey one neck, and to man improve it. Maybe I know on the grounds, but no one. I mean, we why you no. And to Oko, I didn't hear me say. Woman improve it. Chrome have minimum the entire the court to buy if you say. Sabe, me never knew move if you say what I say. And as I what for nimpon them. What you say? And penny for say sabe pata papia to. Yeah, the man euro. And the identity no be a can some officer some waka ne gu hu fi no fa ne court fa ne koda police fo ne yankwa chene fa ne kogina ma ne mla ne den ene ne ndi se wo de tumi ne emra be hya wonsam afa akode say wo kro radio station ho no ma akọbu nipa akọsa ne wo mo ne ma I mean sa ne ma no me hu say edu ba bi okon yenkura sesem sa na meka no edu ba bi e ya yenkura sesem you see politicians munim you know the law, so sometimes you must know better. So I presenter and I'm
presenter.
So I'm our presenter. And Monshano no one train the source. Or presented with evidence at the court. Be our casino when you know 20 our canasa. But Mama Mrana Masabani said yeah, more 10 Ghana into a jungle.
Okon
obi entwin fa obi aso because na ho adenti
e betimi abo ne se o ma na yetimo no ensantrefo edi omuduma ye nim sa sam na eye host an edi ni Samuel eye e champion no e ka ye no se ne kura wom se ne kura nim no ade ba ko pe betimi abo ne so ba ko piem wo court.
That's right.
No wakosa ne ti
he who alleges must prove it
better. Oh, this is a sa fini hu bia no kra na yeden but wo de mra kwasha nsem na kwabu nipa na no kra na wo mu no empie bio
say no yemfa ne say ekokokokwa na se kopie court wa you see one se kobasa brand no mpo ni evidence no kwati na mframa mu kan ya won so a wa invade obi no property no eno so afomra
na obedi
enti emra bedi abrante no so obedi because wa invade obi no property
causing fear and panic.
That's it.
Ebi mo prepra
that's it.
Enti eno kra to mechew
ana we no affront to media freedom. Okran chapter 12 of the 1992 constitution wa there were penny we affront to the law. I mean
munyinimra mumie pon kitikiti I mean how
we send a video ni city a hadwen
enye okoye nim se krom ha no ewo mu se ye media for no ebinom kan nsem aya na edu ba bia na ano ewo bibia wo ho but ne nyina ne se emra na wo ho dada edi se osusu se nipa na kan semi a emfa mra kwan so a che no okomedia no enkwabo no wo dia ne se enipa no wa kan nsem anim enti memra ne yeden ene nindi ye nka se obi o ye nsem twa nindi de o kan ye tanachi ne dia ne se memra na enye den
enye dwuma
say brother ye nyim film
because say openi MP na wo padie MP so o kwa kwahye mra emra na wo kwahye no ya hye bie nso ato ho dada se wo se wo bi mpu edi bone no ha ye mpanish na wo ho no instant justice ye nyintom so yewura nyabotre na siu because kono wo court ho agogo court ho dwaso court ho wo de bosome fere ho kra court ho fa ne ko ho ama meboa
sa na te okon
ko ho wo de ko wo de wo so ko bo mfa siwa me pa cho court ho ko siu no na on prove se want me prove evidence ya
ono no hwe
me aye mi ano he me aye mi odasani
hwe
yeah pani
adai
aye hu
se security na ni anya timpank na de besi so TFM na nya se kuma frisa wo hwe dom e ko ye no na se no mani abre na wa hwe nka no mfidie ne ba kokora nka
Kwadwo
okon
praise him
hallelujah
mame nko la nananum atrankonya ehon so
ejada ho
nananum hemfo nsam de base ya obetine strong man nyom ne ho otro sa maman odi kro ni mame ntemfa ho mra me ento akase ebo no so na yenkwa ye nimu a ekuo bi a ye fa wonom ese nmati abonase abesi a wonom ewo leshi divisional ewo la nananum atrankonya ye kasai wonom bufuafu nya asam ketwa womo buafu si atemota forest ne nyina mu no ene se womo akire mu a wosoafo a wono anakyere se wohwe ahensam ene esoma hodo eso mekire minister for chieftaincy and religious affairs me me wofa assistant na Samuel Boaten asabi ekuo yi akire se papa yi wo fa kwati kwan ama ahensam chieftaincy ehon nsensam amabufuo atimi aba ewola nananum atrankonya hono mu a womo dwene ho a wono mo entiase wono mo akire mu a se biebru se bienya ado nananum kan ss ahenie eto ewo mpanie ni mu a enyira won mo kire se nanse won mo ho na brantie betwe ne tese wono ana wo ba bede hene ewo ye leshi division hono mo ewo la nananum atrankonya na ebra papa no atwe ne tese wo ba bede hene no ahwe ana atimedement me ho ase abenti enam so ma ahensam no ekokopie mu ewo court na se ye kase court emfa atemu mai ana eye Asamoah Boaten se bio wono wo ye mfantini no watimi abankran eba bese hene enna eye nsam a omanfo no eka kirem se watimi de mnasha ne nsam se asam a eda court na court eni wiye no yewra asabi Asamoah Boaten atimi akoso abrante ne nsa se eye nmati abonase ene abesifo no wo mupo se wo mumpo wono Asamoah Boaten se de wo yesi ahene yetu ahene wo bese hene ewola ene ne mpotem ho na no ana wo mo ekirem se biebru se bienya do wo hene kokora ne abu ni yi akia na mom enyo hen babunu enu nti Asamoah Boaten minister waye wadwene se so beja eye emfantema to no aba besi wo hene ewola ene ne mpotem de a wo mo no de be wo so pa efiri se krom ho no mo no wo mo ntime entiase se minister asemada court no wo fam na hye wonsam wo mo ekirem se de ekoso no Ghana fo nyina fo ma no ntum firi se eye chieftaincy dispute ana eye chieftaincy minister wo person de ba empotem ho no enu ntire wo mo ntiase ne entiase akina ensem trofo nhia mu ase ana wopani a wono ana chese eye nmati abonase quarters wona ye wo mo leader ni obo freeman afol wo de to Ghana wo tirem se biebru yesesa konya eto ewo frafra memu a asantempre enu ntia ba ne se na konya ato ewo nananu mu atran konya na yewra eye chieftaincy minister a obi enim se wo yemfantini wo na wo ba bese hine wabra court ensam edaso wo sese wantwe ho amfiri mu dia ene ona boy kowa ni kowa.
I made it clear to him that our position is also fixed. We know what he's doing is illegitimate. We know, like he keeps saying, that he has supervisory authority over the traditional council. It's not supported by law anywhere. The chieftaincy does not tell that. We've gone through the constitution of Ghana. The only mention made about any affinity between the regional house of chiefs and the councils is that they are advisory bodies. They can only advise. They can't impose. They can't give directives. The angle of disrespect is the way he behaved towards Nime. When he invited them, he told them he was inviting them so that he meets up with them. They got there to realize there was a party that he didn't mention to them. Instead of listening to us as a people and respecting our customs and traditions and usages, this man in his posture is seeking to subvert the status quo and then impose or plant something that is alien to our customs on us. And that is gross disrespect. We don't think where he comes from, that is chromancy or abanti, any of the two. Where he comes from, he can take steps or he can step out there and tell them what to do. Ebusuya
sebi empanisi sa wo kire wo hu pia ye kire wase o eno nti wotie ensama wopani ne kana kire se wonim Asamoah Boateng ni krom se eye komante ana wobusa sa adenti ana yewra Asamoah Boateng wo free komante ewo emfanteman mense no emu na wotimi tu hwa ebesi wo hene ewo la ewo nkran ha ewo abra asenie no ewo court na wo percent mehu ase na sode senia ebi asode ewo boko no ana wo mu kirem se wona abotwe hu free mu ente sade akowa ni kowa ene hausa ni besi atwakoyo do bewo ne bewo na eno achi no an assistant secretary edema abesewe ne din adeni okamfra wono so ene yensam troni Sammy Opoku Sammy shi edi nkomo na wo kirem se wo besre minister chief tense minister said yakos won wonyi ne hu free na court ene asi ahene ne ato ahene ne atrankonya no a wono mo ewola nanano mo atrankonya no wo mo ankasa ensi wo mo hene free se minister enyawo na wo se hene ewo krom ha.
We felt very bad because they haven't listened to all the various quarters and then to see where the truth lies. But they were trying to jump into conclusion by accepting those skins who were illegally installed.
But are they not?
They are part of our people. But what I'm saying is they were illegally installed. The houses from which they were installed are not the rightful house to install. For a part, it is not their time. But for the other part, which is the Abese, the house has no mandate to install a king. That is Abese Apucho. And specifically, Kwadwo way. Because the house used to be one particular clan house from which the rotation was done between Okanfranwe and that particular house. But at a point in time, there was an issues between them.
Enti ebusuani ayeti yeyi eye ekua ye frano se mati abonasi abesi leshi division ewola nanano atrankonya nanano nkranfo ofane ojeko munyimso wojemra wojeko twolo ene ana womode nsamato dwai wono na yetrotropfo abedi akire ne din edini okamfra ana wone yensam troni Sammy Opoku Sammy shi edisa enkomoyin na mame enko Facebook no so na men kan Ghana fo adwenkyere no ebi na me wofa Charles Kofi do ben Eldado ben Sebrepo me share camp an wo say Okogyeabour kasebonde emu de papa pasa no manam na yabiemu live e wo fi a kire se wani abusuane nyina Ebeneza ene Pastor Williams wo se wo mo biemu pa kire se anya asam kotwa ana afi nso wo se wo fata nso se wo te na so kasebo no ho anie se wo tenkura wotenkura e wo me share camp enti wo fa yada se na momentum fa ha Gloria Edu and was keep up the good work wo fa woni Kwadwo Sammy na Kwadwo wonchi abia tia ka mu ha me wo fa Kofi do ben so wo tia wo pa
Ese mejene so pa
wo se wo hwe Facebook na so hu cha na ebutu uti no a asa wudi be mu ato na don tuma agwa kata so no wakan wakan wo se cha na butu uti sa no a ase our day chance 5 wafa we dey wasumu o enti Kwadwo momentum fa ha Kofi Parliament and was say God bless our homeland Ghana and make us great and strong no so dia bayi ana ne kunsu Kwadwo krom Kwadwo ho na akwakwodi hine no takura de important ho
twabe wudi shi konkro
wase news no edem ewo important ho akire sanya asam ketwa ana Joyce nate waso me adwo me akwaba Joyce say ohun so ohun yede ohun tepa mo ana wafake we define plan station and was say NDC members of parliament is our biggest problem in Ghana and ono so dia bay ye dan ye ho abasesi a ye ba ye be kwa kodi nkomo e wo sofa eso ne nkomo ni nyina anie enen so speaker of parliament asa agene parliament bi mni nyina no ene se wo bra wo mtena se no NPP mna hye badwafo no absent obi ama eno nti no parliament ya se to aheda se ye nim da parliament ne be sa atena se biem nenso Alexander Afejo Markins ekirem se wonom ebesa trigger parliament meeting fufuro biem na emu nsam no se bi akwase busua penetro enworoi ye ntime mpam ho danta ye ba sesi a ye utetefunu no krado
DL News.
Yemetiefo ne ahwefo akwaba na yentoa so emfa emfiri ha na 0534050199 0534050199 and 0593406565 mamenka kum chacha de ne bi 059 tele 40 65 65 059 tele 40 65 65. Good evening. Went me enyina so woba metimi afawo na afi yabo enkomo and then so parliament ya say to us da biem ne nyina no ene say eye NPP manase bedwafo no wo mo ma apan dankwa wayira ewo kotwa mansa dodom. Good evening.
Good evening, Papa.
Me won fa se be ne
Papa Jini.
Papa ma mintie we
Papa me das me teori we telefone na me afutu ba kwa me ma NDC MPC ngale say yes wrong akaje step to the koto aba in the parliament so mom nko bi the first part say dem kwa me NDC MPP ensi wo including me am MP but am boku am bi nko bi every from we serious mo o say ye bo no mo business no ye kwa mama other the first parliament bi ma me NDC njanko me das bi be me
me so me da say good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Bodi chira me en
From Dixon Ado.
o frefre hen
From Dodoa.
ma mintie o.
Yes, some omokano say insase some no ehia pa.
Yen kan asase ho asem ho na kan asase ho asem aha ene wantie yen kan asase ho asem aha nye lands commission meda CP ojeku jemsu ojemra. Good evening.
Good evening, Daddy.
Mo meraze azaya mama hwan ni o. Hey abi ofa na tete boy won te kura mieni nkomo abi mieni nkomo.
Okay, you be content for the say for macho. Because I just few minutes na kwa aba.
Few minutes.
Sorry, few days. I said I had to order this here.
Any ohia kuntu. Yes,
no, Mr. Yapomacho.
Okay.
Omunja omuya no mama omunja omuya na muko fanso kwa biamba because the nya omunja kwa biamba hase. Yes, sure. So many so munti ya no munka tem papa dia. Omunja se se de brand di kai. Memo obi ansi okofo swaba neyi. Na afi de ya bre omododo.
Meda se papa enkra besie etome wa denche. Kire se ya bre pa anya asam kutwa. Kwadwo se wusu ankra ne de.
Say
etome wa denche.
Bia de ka ne na moyi.
Wait, Kwadwo na ne obeda sua. Me kan na was ready. Good evening. Yeah, wodi man komo. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Okogyeabour.
Hey, wodi man komo mboa.
Me benkuzi na atramio.
Hey, ewurade ebiti ye ne bi nso ntiye. Bodi kira me ne to aso.
Ebe ni ododo.
Mami ntie we ben.
Ye to you for na munye serious. Cause ye sika ne di omu kan so one background me say end of the month ne be tianika. Ibi na ya omu ye sa no. Cause aka busum no yanchu bi aka ko be serious say ye omu ko ejuma. Because me no mienu dedi ayeye. Busumes ne ati ahomati staff no dey dey akoti omuka. O che condition mu free, o daylight mu free, o jali free o ni free na e chaka. Ndi bi omu pe no mu ye. O ndi o man se sa na o man be ti dia ndi en pe fo no mu nye serious o met mi agba ye. O ndo mu hwe bibi ye pa.
Meda se papa ye chia dodo wafo nanso amanwo ba na mo nko amwadi. Good evening.
Evening wafa.
Me wafa se be ni.
O fa si ya me kasa fi aburi.
Aburifo mo de mo. Mo. Fire nsenfo ba dia mo mfrɛ me.
O fa kwanso.
Kwanso. Se wo sa ba bi mbwa.
O fa kwanso.
Me se kwanso e de ado ba ha.
O fa mi se kwanso a.
Yeah. Hey, be ya ki bi was be yeni. Good evening.
Me offer.
Me offer Azbeni.
Friend Ali.
Ali.
Feel camp.
Mami ntie we.
Offer. Mami so asamba ko.
Patronia, NDC MPP, maybe a seat in a majority say, NDC Frank Tonga, Patro, a small mechanic, any yana.
And when you say no,
because as some way, a buy and declare say we're in Quatran, I didn't know NDC phoning to almost seat, maybe wasn't from we can't we are nothing as I say, Okohana, Quaniels or Quana, but now be the Piamma, ye, parliament. Yes, so among your man on face. No Munja is the only party, nobody say, oh, man. That's my maker.
Meda se papa, my way. Me offer say, baby.
Offer AC new.
AC Ashama for where? Bombing come more AC.
Yeah, every before now and I had the Mukoya. Okogyeabour no muti na ye da no ade ani bio ye no na no mo pese o nye bio ndi ye sro mo o mun dai sa baka no mo da no ye da mo
me so me da se me pa chaw ye bre no nti wo ye me last caller. Good evening.
Me pa chaw good evening Okogyeabour
bodi chira me en
na po chaw from Sammy me pa chaw nia Enquires parliament I had papa. I think they should apply force. Or say I'm a force ejuma. In the peninsula otnefi mananka. Peina otnefi mama ferry nankan. You will not carry far. Ya kind of cow. I didn't say American is or say the Supreme Court. I church in Blaine now, some way. Incidents no we are Munkas and we are Musankas and Harmonum. Not the Biano of a creative confusion. I said, "Ya oh, it's a parliament. Wash no way and nature mine women. And what to say? What to blame? It's very wrong. The force should be applied there. Into a family.
Menso medase DJ Omarion say memfa uncha last. Good evening.
Wafa.
Sa kwade.
Medibim. Parliamentarians no ofani American say omunyan kwala.
Me pacho twu free radio no hom mesra pa twu.
Parliamentarians no omunyan kwala. Na omo behave to say kwala. Ni omo ye no to say kwala kura nye wi. Nti ni omo ye no me ni America chom say omunyai. Ni omo ye no omo nhwe no omo enka asem no boko na bibia nkoto bebia da.
Menso medase ebusua ye ntimi emfa afrefo no ebiem. Ahanum sei na bre ebe maye kwan amensem ahodo ebobo no de besomwo ya wada anumre no ye de ebesie na Kwadwo wonim se yi sesei ebre ene nkrabia sesa kakra ewo US erintiama yewra chasmante sesei ye twaira no anisa wonsana nsen enna wa madwuma ananenso wa madwuma na what the message aba ese say na say Ghana time no any US time no edin chinsia nti won timi she dam monita na so Kwadwo so wachi awo pa
mejene so pa adwumadin a wo bonde
that's right
mejene so so we there unu ya san be ye said the tibi robo na so ate
dia hia
abana omoto no US no
Trump abai
obetia hwe na wankwetie station foforo
say enra no enman wo mo to abano na wo ye correspondent wo US man ni o
sure
enti yewura Charles Mante gangster katia wute nkura wo US ya da ase mo nyame nhirawo na wose wone nana ekwa kwansa Fantis chief wo Columbus Ohio wose anwumre omosene pewa o madwedwura damu a womo esoku news no pa ewo honti yetiamo too much na chief of staff nso ewo Cape Coast of Nsuachi Mr. David Mante chief of staff akura se bibia hye yedie wono so se wo soku news no pa na Kwadwo no se hono DLFM mobile app re no anu no so use o nto be ko no wa biem
edempa se ya app no so de yokon utia sound no emuda ho
106.9
enti yada mo nyina se papa nyame wanhiramu a yempere enti yade kasebo no ebesi ewa ha DJ Omarion ede ko Facebook no eso sadanso ana yenso a yaje beresi bre ekenkan ensam do de ma wo edia mejeso eye gan stakatia meeting kura wo Okogyeabour Ocran mene
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B.
Yada mo nyina se anwumre yi ama mo nyina mho. Eniti a woje yen wo boja.
DL News.